Here we go. We are in 11152. Yeah, these little bracelets. What? Hey. Yeah. We got the queen beds. Here, you want to open that door? There you go. Hey, look, I got the rug too. Like if you lean out, you can see Zima over there.
Now for some quick tips. For this stay, we had moved over from Secrets Playa Mujeres, and these resorts are really different. This hotel has a party vibe, whereas the Secrets Resort is much quieter and much more relaxing. Alright, tip number 1. This hotel resort has a party vibe. The entertainment team, properly called the Vibe Team, was out at the pool keeping the party going, and there's lots to do. Tip number 2, the food is okay, and really just basically okay. The food here, it's just not as good. They have a decent selection, but it's definitely not something where I would say that the food was great. Average at best. Tip number 3, great location to get out and walk on the beach or out in Cancun. This was really one of the things that we liked the best. During the day, we put our stuff down, got some chairs, and then we went out and just walked down the beach. And it's really just one of the great things that you can do at this resort. Number 4, did I mention that it has a party vibe? Oh, okay, good, just checking. Which kind of leads us to tip number 5. They have a club called Level 18, which is on the 16th floor, weird enough. It is the rooftop pool, and just a quick note, it does not include drinks. Tip number 6, the balcony views are obstructed, and you don't get that full 180-degree view looking down the beach. You really just have like a picture frame view. So for the room, we had upgraded to try to get that great Cancun beach view, but I definitely wouldn't do that again. Tip number 7, if you are going to upgrade for the Diamond Club. Do it for the beach and the pool experience. They have their own little separate section for the beach and the pool, and the upgraded Diamond Club would probably be worth it for that. And lastly, tip number 8, vacations are great, but it's better when you don't pay full price and you're able to save lots and lots of money. We saved over 90% on this vacation, booking for free with points and tons of great upgrades. Check out the link below for more information on our masterclass on exactly how we did it. Like always, I hope that you travel well, and I hope that this helps you travel better.